Looking for the best countertop burners to upgrade your cooking setup, whether you need a portable solution, an extra burner for busy meal prep, or a compact option for small spaces, this video has you covered. We'll review the top models, breaking down their features, performance, and value to help you find your perfect match. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Cusimax 1800-watt dual infrared ceramic hot plate. The Cusimax Double Hot Plate combines a sleek, modern design with versatile functionality, making it an excellent choice for kitchens, dorm rooms, apartments, or even RVs and outdoor setups. Its ceramic heating plates are compatible with all cookware types, including glass, and heat quickly and evenly. The adjustable thermostat knob lets users precisely control the temperature, ideal for cooking a wide variety of dishes, from eggs over easy to creamy fettuccine. Safety is a priority, with features like an automatic safety shutoff, non-skid feet, and an indicator light that illuminates when the unit is in use. The durable stainless steel body and crystalline glass plates are not only built to withstand frequent use, but also easy to clean, adding to the unit's convenience. Whether you need an extra cooking appliance for your busy kitchen, or a stovetop alternative, the Cusimax Double Hot Plate meets a range of needs. Please note that the unit may become warm during use due to its high heat output, and the heating light may cycle on and off as the thermostat regulates the temperature. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month free replacement service and top-notch customer support. Number 2. Duxtop 1800-watt LCD Portable Countertop Burner. The Duxtop Countertop Burner Induction Hot Plate features a single burner with an intuitive LCD screen and a sensor touch panel for easy operation. Its non-stick glass surface ensures effortless cleaning, while built-in safety features, such as a child safety lock, automatic shutoff, 60-second auto pan detection, and overheat protection, keep your cooking safe. The induction cooking method eliminates open flames and toxic gas fumes for a cleaner, safer cooking experience. This cooktop offers two distinct modes, power and temperature. In power mode, users can choose from 20 preset power levels, ranging from 100 to 1800 watts, giving complete control over heating speed. In temperature mode, 20 temperature settings, from 100 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, provide precise control for various cooking techniques like frying and sautéing. The built-in automatic timer can be set from 1 minute to 10 hours, and convenient boil and keep warm buttons add extra functionality. For optimal use, be sure to use induction-compatible cookware with magnetic bottoms, compact and lightweight, measuring 11.41 inches by 14.05 inches. This induction burner is easy to transport, store, and use in any kitchen space. Number 3. New Wave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. This compact induction cooktop is a versatile and portable solution, ideal for RVs, small spaces, travel, or office use. What sets it apart are the three distinct wattage settings: 600W, 900W, and 1300W. To illustrate, boiling water takes approximately 15 minutes at 600W, 8 to 9 minutes at 900W, and just 5 minutes at 1300W. With superior temperature precision, it heats from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments, offering 6 preset temperature options for convenient control. This makes it a standout choice among models in its price range, delivering exceptional value. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. The unit lacks an on or off switch, meaning it powers on as soon as it's plugged in, which isn't ideal for safety or energy efficiency, especially for those prone to leaving appliances plugged in. Additionally, the short cord exits from the right-hand side, limiting placement options. For use, ensure you have induction-compatible cookware, as this cooktop requires magnetic bottom pots and pans. Despite its minor limitations, its portability, affordability, and functionality make it a reliable choice for compact cooking needs. Pros: lightweight and compact, 3 wattage settings, 6 temp presets, super quick heating. Cons: short power cord can be inconvenient. Number 4. Techwood 1800-watt Double Infrared Ceramic Hot Plate. The Techwood Double Infrared Ceramic Hot Plate offers a safe and versatile cooking solution, making it an excellent alternative to traditional gas hot plates. Powered by infrared heating technology and durable cast iron plates, it heats quickly and provides consistent temperature control for effortless cooking. The adjustable thermostat lets users precisely warm or cook sauces, meals, and more. This hot plate is compatible with all types of cookware, adding to its versatility. Designed with convenience in mind, it features stay-cool handles for easy transport, a brushed steel body that's simple to clean, and slip-resistant feet for stable use on any surface. With 1,800 watts of total power, 900 watts per burner, it delivers reliable performance for everyday cooking needs. For those with less space, a single burner option is also available. Pros: durable stainless steel and cast iron for quick heating and consistent temperature output. Stay-cool handles offer easy transport, also available as a single burner unit for smaller kitchen spaces. Cons: some reports of manufacturing defects and difficulty using. Number 5. Duxtop LCD 1800W Portable Double Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop LCD Portable Double Induction Cooktop offers 2 burners, each with independent heat controls and 20 preset levels, providing versatile cooking options. Its clear LCD display ensures easy readability and precise temperature control, allowing users to adjust the cooking temperature with accuracy. The cooktop offers 2 modes: power mode for rapid heating and temperature mode for maintaining a consistent heat to prevent overcooking or burning dishes. Designed for safety and efficiency, this portable induction cooktop features a power sharing function that automatically adjusts the power usage of one burner when both are in use, preventing overheating. It also includes a child safety lock system and skid-resistant rubber feet for added stability, with energy usage ranging from 100 to 1,800 watts, and compatible with various magnetic bottom cookware. This unit measures 25 inches wide by 17 inches deep, making it ideal for any kitchen. Setup. Pros: 20 preset temperature settings with an easy-to-read LCD display, features a child safety lock and non-slip rubber feet, automatically adjusts power usage to prevent overheating. Cons: must-use induction-compatible cookware.